Hello guys, welcome back English with Hamad Raja. I have today 5 tips related to directed writing. Cambridge normally asks you to write down different text types, so that's why I've decided to give you 5 tips related to this. So my number 1 tip is you need to identify which text type you are writing for. For example, is it report, is it article, is it letter? Because these are all non-fictional. So you need to identify first the text type, because once you identify the text type, it will help you to identify the language that you're going to use, because language choices always depends upon the text type that you are selecting. So once you have done that, you will have an easy access to the language. Number 2 is Cambridge always asks you to assume the role of someone. For example, you are assuming the role of a journalist, you are assuming the role of a angry customer. So you need to identify that viewpoint of your character. For example, if you are an angry customer complaining about something to a shopkeeper, so you need to identify that particular tone and language that you will use while you're complaining to the customer as being an angry customer. So this is a second tip. Number three is once you will identify that, you will come back to the rubrics. Cambridge will give you 2 rubrics. One is always evaluate the ideas, and the second is Cambridge will give you an option of giving your opinion. So the first thing is you will evaluate the ideas, and the second thing is you are giving your opinion. So number of rubrics will decide your number of paragraphs. Normally students go for 2 paragraphs because we have 2 rubrics in 1123 paper. But if you want to make 3 paragraphs, it's up to you. But you need to be mindful of your content point. Why? Because we need to supply at least 10 content points in this rubric. So in first paragraph we are providing 5 points, and in second paragraph we are providing another 5 points. So in total we are providing 10 points, content point in our paragraph. So if you want to extend from 2 paragraphs to 3 paragraphs, divide it further, maybe 3 points in one paragraph, 3 another, and maybe 4 in next paragraph. So this is how you will define your paragraphs as well as the content point. Number 4 point is once you identify that, you will identify your opinion as well. So you need to be mindful of your opinion. So once you will identify the opinion, it means that you are using your background knowledge as well as the opinion that is present in the text, because you have insert with you. So, and this is another tip, you have to be very calculated while making your opinion. Use your background knowledge about the topic as well as the opinion which is given in the text. Last tip, last is related to the meaning, because we are always dealing with the implicit meaning and explicit meaning. So here first thing is you need to identify at least 5 implicit meaning from the text and 5 explicit meaning from the text. So in total we are making 10 implicit explicit meaning from the text. So these are 5 tips related to directed writing. If you want to learn more, stick around with this channel and you will have more tips and tricks.